Hi children, hope everyone is enjoying the videos. Today let us learn a new topic, that is acids, bases and salts. We generally use different substances in our daily life such as lemon, tamarind, common salt, sugar, vinegar. Have you ever tasted all these substances? Some tastes sour, some salty, some are sweet and bitter. Now, let us see the contents of this topic: acids and bases, natural indicators, neutralization and applications of neutralization. Let us see about the acids. Children, now watch this slide. You can see a lot of substances like vinegar, citrus fruits, soft drinks, and the spinach, yogurt, grapes. So all these belongs to acids. So the substances that taste sour are acidic in their nature because these substances contains acids. So these are the examples for the acids. Now let us move to the bases. Some of the substances taste bitter and we rub its solution between the fingers. It feels soapy. Such substances are bases. These does not contain acids. Soap, lime water, milk of magnesia, window cleaner, baking powder, toothpaste. Now we are watching slides. So these are all belongs to the bases. Now we will move to the natural indicators. Natural indicator is a type of indicator that can be found naturally. Whatever the materials are available in our day-to-day life, we can use as a natural indicator and can determine whether the substance is an acidic substance or basic substance. Example, turmeric or hibiscus extra. So litmus is also one of the main important as a natural indicator. Litmus is extracted from the lichens. You all know children about the lichens, right? It is the combination of algae and fungi. So it has a purple color in the water. It is available in the form of solution or in the form of strips of paper known as litmus paper. So when we add litmus to the acidic solution, it turns red. When it is added to the basic solution, it turns blue. Remember this point. When litmus is added to acidic solution, it turns red. When it is added to the basic solution, it turns blue color. China rose is also one of the natural indicator. As I have already shown the video. You might have seen the video, Nana. Now, we will see the different types of acids and the bases. So, acetic acid we can find in vinegar. Formic acid, ants sting. Citric acid, citrus fruits. Lactic acid, curd. Oxalic acid, spinach. Ascorbic acid, amla and citrus fruits. Tartaric acid, tamarind, grapes, unripe mangoes. These are all belongs to acids. Now calcium hydroxide we can find in lime water. Ammonium hydroxide. So we clean the windows. It is found in window cleaners. Sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide, soap. Magnesium hydroxide, milk of magnesia. You might have observed when turmeric reacts with soap, soap is a base, so it turns to red. Here turmeric acts as a natural indicator. Everyone knows, especially in marriages for the bride and bridegroom, they keep this as a parani. Okay, now we will see about the neutralization process. See Nana, the reaction between an acid and the base is known as neutralization. So salts and the water are the byproducts in this process. So in neutralization process, salts are formed. So neutralization process is a very important process. It have a lot of applications in our day-to-day life. Let us see. Applications of neutralization: indigestion, antibiotic, soil treatment, factory waste. Let us see one by one. So, indigestion. Our stomach contains hydrochloric acid. It helps us to digest the food. So, but too much of acid in the stomach causes indigestion. Sometimes it also painful. To relieve indigestion, we take an acid such as a milk of magnesia, which contains magnesium hydroxide. It neutralizes the effect of excessive acid. You can see in markets it is available in the pink color. Now let us see about the ant bite. When an ant bites, it injects the acidic liquid, that means formic acid, into the skin. The effect of the acid can be neutralized by rubbing moist baking soda or calamine solution. If it is there in your home, it would be better, which contains zinc carbonate. So it relieves the pain. Now, soil treatment. Excessive use of chemical fertilizers makes the soil acidic. So every year the farmer sprays a lot of chemical fertilizers. So plants do not grow well when the soil is either too acidic or too basic. So when the soil is too acidic, it should be treated with the bases like quicklime or slaked lime. If the soil is basic, organic matter is added to it. So organic matter releases acids which neutralizes the basic nature of the soil. Next one is about factory wastes. The waste of many factories contains acids. If they are allowed to flow into the water bodies, the acids will kill fishes and other organisms. So the factory wastes are therefore neutralized by adding basic substances. So children, you should have a clear picture of applications of neutralization. I hope you all understood about this topic. It's a quick revision. Okay, hope you all understood about this video. Thank you. Have a great day.